Redmi 9 Power is the company's newest launch, coming in just before the end of the year. It comes powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, along with 4GB RAM and a choice of 64GB or 128GB storage. The rear of the phone is where the really interesting stuff lies though. Besides the really cool finish, you also get a quad camera setup which includes a 48 megapixel primary camera. Using the phone for the last few days, it's safe to say that Redmi has a solid phone on its hands. The phone was able to play Call of Duty Mobile at very playable frame rates, albeit at medium graphics. Using the phone for normal purposes like texting and taking photos is also a pain-free process. There's barely any lag while typing, whether it's in the default texting app or a third-party notes app. When it comes to taking photos, the phone offers a simple interface. You can easily move between the normal and pro modes, or even choose to shoot in 12 megapixel or 48 megapixel resolutions. Lastly, let's talk about the phone's display. This 6.53-inch IPS LCD panel has a peak brightness of 400 nits. Watching movies on this or even engaging with content in general is definitely a nice experience. Lastly, we've got this gorgeous new finish on the back. This ribbed finish with the Redmi logo emblazoned on the side does look nice and is bound to grab attention. Other notable features of the phone include the continued presence of an IR blaster, a 3.5mm headphone jack on top, and a Type-C charging port at the bottom. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is another ace up Redmi 9 Power's sleeve. So that's our first look at the Redmi 9 Power. Definitely a promising device from the house of Xiaomi, and for more information on this, do stay tuned as our full review of this phone is coming right up. Before you leave, make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button on our channel, and of course do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates from us.